Be honest. How much time did you spend looking for a file today? If it was over 5 minutes, we need to talk. That tiny delay is draining your time, your focus, and probably your confidence. Let me tell you about Kelly. She runs a coaching business and works mostly from home. She is so smart, and she is really good with her clients. She's a great listener. But she never knows where she put her invoice or her intake form or her last meeting notes. She never knows where it is on her computer. A couple days ago, she was telling me about this Zoom meeting she was going to have with a new client. And she remembered just before the call to pull up her intake form. She just revamped it, and she was excited to use it. And it was going to make the process much more thorough, getting good information from her new client. But she couldn't remember where she saved it. And she's looking through her computer, looking through the hard drive, looking through her Google Drive. She said she was even looking at some of the random USB drives on her desk, even though she was pretty sure she didn't save it there. She finally stumbled upon it, pulled it up about 5 minutes after the Zoom session started. So she started this session with a new client late. Not a great look. Now, multiply that chaos by 3 or 4 times a day. 5 days a week? That's hours of wasted time, much less the mental drain. So here's the real talk. If you are spending more than 5 minutes looking for a file, that is a red flag. Why? Because it's not just about the lost file. It's a signal that your digital systems are not supporting your business. They're slowing you down. Here's what that one delay is really costing you. Decision fatigue. Every "where's that file" is draining your mental energy. Lost time, and that adds up. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. You're looking at the end of the week, you've wasted an hour. Professional embarrassment. Being late, sending the wrong file, forgetting where something is, makes you feel unprepared, and it shows. And that digital chaos inhibits your willingness to grow your business sometimes. Messy systems make people afraid to scale. You delay hiring help because you have no idea how to tell them where to find the information they'll need. You might delay launching new programs or even avoid bringing on a new client because your back end feels out of control. But let me say this clearly. It's not because you're bad at tech. It's that nobody ever showed you how to build a system that thinks the way you do. And when your digital space isn't set up right, everything takes longer than it should. Let me give you just one system that I use that can help you start to get organized. I call it the 3-level folder framework. First, you're going to pick one space where you're going to be saving all your files. That space may be on your computer in your My Documents folder. It might be in your Google Drive or your OneDrive, or it might be on a USB drive that you keep connected to your computer. But wherever it is, you have to pick one space. Now, in that space, you're going to create top-level folders. You're going to create folders. And these folders are going to be based on the roles you play in your business. You might do administration, clients, and marketing. Or you might do something like keep office running, money, sales. Use the words that mean something to you, that are relevant for your business, but we're going to start this first level based on your own, personal departments, the roles you play, and then start moving your files into one of these folders. We're not done yet, though. So in each of those folders for roles, open them one at a time, and in that folder, like let's say we'll take this sales folder, create more folders that are based on a project or person. So the sales folder, I might have folders within there for each of my clients. Now, the files that you see around these folders, start to put your files in the folder where it should live. And now for each of those folders, you're going to open one up. And if you need to, create one more level of folders. And each of these folders, you're going to name them based on the type of information you're saving in there or the task that these particular files are a part of. Do what makes sense to you. You can always change the system around later. Take away folders that no longer are useful, add folders that make organization more clear. But this is just a starting point for you. If you're having trouble finding your files, you probably need a starting point, just someplace to start to get organized, and then edit it, customize it, tailor it as you go. I'm going to add one more thing to this. This has nothing to do with the folders, but this is your 5-minute a day hack. Before you log off each day, take 5 minutes and move files into the folder that they need to be in. Usually that means you might have files on your desktop that you need to put in a proper home so you can find it later, or files you've downloaded. Put those in a folder that is logical and will be easy for you to find later. So this isn't about being a tech wizard. It's about taking control of your business space, one folder at a time. And the good news is, I promise you, once you do this, it's going to feel like a breath of fresh air. You're going to be able to breathe and get oxygen in your lungs. Kelly even told me she didn't realize how much this was stressing her out until it actually wasn't stressing her out anymore. So, if your folders seem like a black hole, or you're constantly saying, I just had that open, where is it? You are not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Build your system that can support your success. Check out the other videos on this channel, including the one where I walk through step by step how to create those folders. And subscribe to my newsletter for regular tips to help you build better habits, tame your tech, and feel more in control of your business tools and back end. And if you're ready for personal help, schedule a call with me. We'll talk through your setup and your struggles and whether a custom solution makes sense for you. Tame your tech.